This is a short video to introduce you to the Carousel Student homepage. The student homepage is a great way that you may be able to access the quizzes and study packs that your teachers have assigned to you. To find your student homepage, the first thing that you'll need to do is identify your school. So in this school selector, enter your school name. Sometimes there will be more than one school with the same name, so knowing your school postcode is a really easy way to help you identify which school is yours. Once you've selected your school, you'll be offered the option to sign in with Google, like I have here, or if your school uses Microsoft, you'll be offered a Sign in with Microsoft button instead. Pressing this button will prompt you to enter your Google or Microsoft school email and password. If you use a private device, this will be saved for the next time you log in. But if you use a school device or a shared device, make sure you log out each time. Once you've signed in, you'll see your student homepage. It's arranged with two tabs. This tab shows you all your quizzes, and this one will show you all your study packs. The table shows all the quizzes that your teachers have shared with you. It's arranged in a way that helps you stay organised, with the ones that are due soonest or are even past due at the top of the table, making it easier for you to know what to prioritise. If you've completed a quiz before, it will show you how well you've done. I should really take this quiz again. I only got 50%. And I want to be aiming to get at least 80% in all my homework quizzes. So since I've got attempts left, I'm going to give it another go. Clicking on the action on the right opens the quiz menu, where you can revise or take the quiz. You'll also have the option in this menu to return to the home page using this button. If your teacher has marked and locked the quiz, you'll be able to see it in the Historic Quizzes area. These quizzes can't be retaken, but you can still use their flashcards to revise. At the top of your homepage, we've got some really useful stats for you. These record how many questions you've answered, how many flashcards you've learnt, and how much time you've invested in your home learning this month. Because we all know that the more times you answer a question, the more successful you will be and the more confident you'll feel in retrieving all that knowledge. Once you've finished your homework, don't forget to sign out and log out of your Google and Microsoft account if needed. Until next time.